Hey guys, this is Arrowhead plant. It is also known as syngonium. It belongs to Araceae family. It is a commonly cultivated houseplant. Besides arrowhead plant and syngonium, it is also known as arrowhead vine, arrowhead philodendron, goosefoot, nephthetis, African evergreen, and American evergreen. Arrowhead plants are really easy to grow and do really well in low to medium light conditions. They prefer bright and direct light. Direct sun may burn the leaves. Water only when the topsoil is dry up to 50 to 75%. Arrowhead plants do really well in higher humidity environment. They are great air purifiers. Arrowhead plants are toxic to humans and pets. They can cause mild stomach and mouth irritation. Different varieties of syngoniums available are Syngonium white butterfly, Syngonium albo variegatum, Syngonium green splash, Syngonium venlandi, Syngonium strawberry, Syngonium macrophylla, Syngonium red spot tricolor, Syngonium aurea, Syngonium scrambled egg, Syngonium bright illusion, Syngonium red arrow, Syngonium erythrophyllum. The plants can be propagated through cuttings in water and soil. Thanks for watching and make sure to watch all my previous videos.